Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're in the construction or architecture space, today's review is definitely for you. I have been digging into Autodesk Construction Cloud, and after spending a good chunk of time testing it out, I have got a lot to share. From its slick features to a few hiccups I think you should know about. Let's dive in. So, what is Autodesk Construction Cloud? In simple terms, it's a comprehensive suite of construction management tools designed to connect teams, data, and workflows across the entire building lifecycle from design to operation. And it is built primarily for professionals in the construction industry, general contractors, subcontractors, architects, engineers, and even project owners. Now, whether you are managing small residential jobs or large-scale infrastructure projects, this platform is meant to help you streamline everything. The use cases include project planning, cost management, quality and safety checks, real-time collaboration, RFIs, document control, just name it, right? And before I show you the features and capabilities of Autodesk Construction Cloud, I would like to take you through the user interface and also touch on the user experience. As you can see, the design is clean, professional, and surprisingly modern for a construction-focused tool. I have seen my fair share of clunky enterprise software. This isn't that. However, if you are brand new to Autodesk ecosystem, there is a bit of a learning curve. Not overwhelming, but you will definitely want to spend time with tutorials. That said, once you get the hang of it, the workflow feels natural, especially with how things are organized around real-life construction phases. So right now, let's touch on the features and capabilities. This is where Autodesk Construction Cloud really shines. All right. Some of the core features. Some of the core features include document management with version control and permissions, RFI and submitter tracking. Okay, and they also have field collaboration tools for punch lists, checklists, and daily logs. Cost management with budget tracking and change order workflows. Schedule integration to connect timeframes with ongoing tasks. So a standout for me is the centralized data environment. That is a standout too for me, meaning everyone on the team works off the same set of documents and drawings. No more emailing PDFs or wondering if you have the latest revision. Another impressive element is the Insights dashboard, which uses AI to flag potential risks in your project. That is something I really see done well in this industry. When you compare it to tools like Procore or PlanGrid, which Autodesk now owns, I would say Autodesk Construction Cloud is slightly more robust on the design and data integration side, while Procore might be more user-friendly for smaller firms. Yeah, so now let's discuss the performance and reliability. Performance-wise, it is solid. Loading times are quick, even for large files like 3D models or massive PDF plans. I haven't experienced any major bugs or crashes, although syncing data across mobile and desktop can occasionally lag. That is for sure. The platform scales well. Whether you are a 5-person team or managing a project across multiple cities, it is built to handle complexity. Now, what about integration and compatibility? Autodesk Construction Cloud integrates well with other Autodesk tools like Revit, I'm still going to touch on that, AutoCAD, and BIM 360, which is a huge plus for design to build continuity. It also plays nicely with third-party platforms like Microsoft Teams, Box, and even Procore to some extent. In terms of compatibility, it supports Windows, macOS, that is via web, Android, and iOS with a solid mobile app for field teams. And yes, there is API access if you want to build custom integrations. Now, for the pricing, Autodesk doesn't exactly publish straightforward pricing on the website, which is always a little annoying. It is usually quote-based depending on your company size and feature needs. All right. That said, it is not cheap. You are definitely paying enterprise rates here. But if you are managing multi-million dollar projects, it is probably worth the investment. There is no true free version, but you might be able to access limited functionalities through trials, or if you are already on, or if you are already an Autodesk customer. There's no hidden fees that I came across, but costs can ramp up quickly if you need multiple modules or users. So that is it for the pricing. Then for the uh, support and community, customer support is generally responsive. I reached out via chat and email and got replies within 24 hours. So here, if you want to engage with customer support, you can just put your business email and then send your message, and they'll get back to you um, in less than 24 hours. That is according to my experience. Okay. There's also plenty of documentation guides, video tutorials, onboarding content, all very detailed, and the community is active too. Autodesk hosts forums, webinars, and even an annual user conference where people swap ideas and best practices. If you come to resources, you'll get to see all of that. From here you see product support, professional services, partner program, integration, upcoming events, webinars, and a whole lot of resources that can actually get you familiar with the platform and a community where if you get to ask some questions, they're going to you're going to get answers. So now let's touch on the security. As for the security, Autodesk takes this seriously. They are compliant with major standards like ISO 27001 and SOC 2, and they offer robust user permissions, data encryption, and audit logs. This is critical when you are dealing with sensitive project data or legal documents. That is it for the security. They have a great security network. Let's discuss the pros and cons. Let's break it down. As for the pros, number one thing that stands out is that it's an all-in-one platform for managing the full construction life cycles. And number two, there is strong integration with design tools like Revit and AutoCAD. Then three, um, there is smart risk insights and automation, and it also has excellent mobile experience. It is reliable and secure. That is it for the advantages. Then for the disadvantages, it is pricey, especially for smaller teams, and you need to do some learning curve for first time. If you are first time users, you need to do some learning. You need to engage in learning how to use the website so as for you to get the best use out of it. On a final note, um, you want to ask, is it what you should use, or should you use it? Should you use Autodesk Construction Cloud? Uh, in response to that, if you're a mid to large sized construction firm, or you are already in the Autodesk ecosystem, I would say yes. This is a powerful, scalable platform that can dramatically improve your workflows and reduce project risks. However, if you're a small contractor or just starting out, the pricing and complexity might be overkill. In that case, something like Builder Trend or Co-Construct could be a better fit. Personally, I found it impressive, especially how it ties together field and office work. It is not perfect, but it is one of the most comprehensive solutions out there right now. Let me know in the comments if you've used Autodesk Construction Cloud or if there's another construction software you want me to review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Thank you.